elimizi bağlıyoruz ve Fatiha suresini okuyoruz. Rükû ve secdeye gittikten sonra ikinci rekata kalkıyoruz. Kelime-i tevhid hatmi, Yasin-i Şerif hatimleri var. Bu kardeşlerimiz inşallah Kur'an-ı Kerim hatmi sürdüler burada. Bu hatim duasını, kelime-i tevhid duasını evvela Peygamberimiz sallallahu aleyhi ve sellem
Resulullah sallallahu aleyhi ve sellem said the following: In the morning of the 8th al-Fajr, angels go out and shout, "You Muslims, run towards the divine blessing of your Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He Jalla Jalaluhu grants abundance of divine kindness and goodness. They are given many rewards. You were ordered to worship during the nights, and you fulfill His command. You were ordered to fast during the day, and you fulfill His command. Obey your Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and get rewarded."
Allahümme inna nes'eluke rahmeten min indik tehdi biha ra'ana ve telemmü biha şahsana ve tecma'u biha şemlena ve teşfi biha merzana ve tüzekki biha a'malena ve tulhimuna biha rüştena ya cami'anna.